Hello lovelies, welcome back to Sweetener Cuisine and Lifestyle. If you're just stopping by for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so that when next I post a video, you'll be notified. And to my returning subscribers, I truly appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today we'll be making a cherry milkshake. Summertime equals cherry times because we do not have cherries all year round. But there are a few things you need to look out for when buying cherries. Ensure to buy the ones that have smooth and shiny skins, and also pick out the red ones. Like in the bowl there I have two species, the very red ones and the dark ones. They are different species but they are both ripe. Make sure you don't buy the poorly colored ones or the hard one thinking that they will go ripe after a while. No, once cherries are plucked, they do not continue the ripening process like our mangoes or oranges. Then make sure you store them in dry and unwashed, because when you wash them it goes bad very quickly. You store them in your refrigerator until you are ready to use. Cherries are very good if you exercise regularly. They are actually energy fruits, great for those who exercise regularly, so you can do them as juice or smoothies. And they also have high medical values. That's why I really love them. They are anti-inflammatory. They help lower the high blood pressure. It has also anti-aging properties, and they're also very good for the thyroid as well. And when you take cherries a lot, it helps relax the nerves. It helps also to prevent heart diseases. So I'm just going to pit them and show you guys. If you don't have a pitter, you can just use your knife to do that, which is what I'm actually going to do now. Make sure you select the ones that have the stem with it. You must have the stem attached so that it doesn't go bad afterwards. So for this, I'll be using almond milk, about 250 ml of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you have. Coconut milk, your regular milk, or oat milk. But yeah, I'm using my almond milk. And also I'll be adding yogurt, dates, about 5 pieces of dates. You can also use honey as well as a sweetener, or you can even use your sugar, but I choose to go with the healthy option, which is dates. Honey too is also an healthy option. And then I'll be adding flax seed. Flax seed too has high medicinal values, so I like to have them in everything I take, my smoothies, my juice, and my milkshake. So here, my cherries are pitted. If you don't have a pitter, you can just use your knife, which is what I do. Some people use straw to try to take out the seeds. So in the blender, I'm adding all of my liquid first. My almond milk, my yogurt. This is a very simple recipe. Then my dates and flax seed. And then lastly, of course, our cherries. So everything is in the blender now. All you have to do is just blend and enjoy your drink. You can have ice in it too as well. So this is ready. Look how beautiful it looks and very yummy. It was really tasteful. You guys let me know in the comment section, what milkshake do you prefer? And if you've been watching to this point and you're not yet subscribed, why? Tell me why. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.